When you have couples complaining about their sexual life, oftentimes I discover that it's not even the sex that is the issue, it's lack of good communication. Sex is important in marriage. Some women will say, is it a food? I beg no food. Especially for a man, it's food. And you know, we have this understanding that a man likes sex more than a woman. Or if a woman asks for sex, then she's a prostitute. A woman is not allowed to ask for sex. Says Professor Ho. God that designed sex there for us knows that we are going to need it. So both a man and a woman equally like sex and should enjoy it. That's number one. Number two, about communication. Even if you have any issue, sex most times happens to be a kind of a specimen that will bring out the true nature or kind of marriage that you have. If you are not a very caring husband with your wife, definitely you will not have a good sexual life with her.
Difficulty.
So most times, sex is just the result of how much time, devotion, affection you are giving to your wife. So when a woman is refusing sex, it has a reason. You will ask her. That's if she's refusing sex. Now, let's talk about compatibility in sex now. In all sexual issues that we have, we need to sit down. And most times we want automatic change. She's supposed to know. He's supposed to know. No. In marriage, when it comes to sex, we need to sit down. What do you want? What do I want? How can we achieve it? Let's read books together. Get this book, Google this on the internet. You to Google this. Listen to programs like this. Watch this, watch that. With time, we develop a kind of knowledge that we needed for each other. But in most cases, we often complain and yet we don't want to work towards making it work. We only complain and we leave it like that. My wife is not good in bed. Fine, there's no crime in it. She is your wife now. So if she's not good in bed for you, make her good in bed for you. Some wife will not have the capacity the husband has. So it's either your own capacity will reduce or our own capacity will increase. So marriage is serious work. And you might not get everything you want. If you want a wife you can have sex with 3 times in a day, you might eventually get married to a woman who is just once that she has the ability to endure. So you are the one that would tell her, I want to at least, even if I maintain 3, at least 1.5. So with time, but it still boils down to good communication.
Okay.